The camera is a tool. We should strive to use our creativity and simple photographic tools to tell stories that speak of the human condition. This project, entitled Strong and Free, captures the challenges of immigration, raising kids in a new country, racism and fitting in, and the small victories of citizenship, employment, being community leaders, and encouraging their kids to dream big. Today's story is of Selim from Turkey. I'm Carmen Groh, and this is Hasselblad Stories.
I want to be a volunteer. I am a volunteer because I want to shatter stereotypes. I think for me, it's very important to show that young leaders exist in these neighborhoods. I think it's just my vision that one day Canadian society can see that these children of immigrants, these refugees, these whatever they may be, their race, their status, their sexuality, their this and that, doesn't stop them from being leaders. And I think as someone with an immigrant background, with someone that has, from a low-income family, I want to shatter the perceptions of what people think of me. I don't want to be bound by labels. I want people to look up to me and say, he made it.